Meaning of differentiate.
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 Differentiate. The verb differentiate means to distinguish or recognize the difference between things. When we differentiate, we are identifying unique characteristics or qualities that set one thing apart from another. In mathematics, differentiation is a process that measures the rate at which a function changes. In biology, cells differentiate when they divide and specialize into different types of tissue. Differentiation can also be used to describe how companies or products stand out in a crowded marketplace by offering unique features or benefits that set them apart from competitors.